These are killer deals. All right, miter saws. All right, another new one. All right, new buy one get one. If you guys missed on the glitch. All right, we got new price drops at the depot. Yes, we're lowering the price at the Giftcenter. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, guys, these are flying off the shelves. Make sure you guys grab one. If you're gonna grab one, this is 2,200 watt Husky LED work light. Yes, they did sell out last year. All right, talking about selling out. This one's gonna sell out quick. $559 clearance, down from $899. It's top of the line mower on clearance. Definitely check it out, guys. I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring some new models in, or maybe the yellow ones are the new models. Who knows? But they are on clearance. Same thing with this one. This one's $399. They're from $699. Does include two batteries. It is self-propelled still. That's it right there. Self-propelled, and they're still clearancing it for $399. All right, here's another one. Variable speed gas walk behind for 20. It is 21 inch, $479. They already sold out on that one. This one's $50 down from 99. This is a Ryobi 40 volts trimmer. That's it right there. No battery included, just the tool itself. All right, here's another one. Symptom pump. If you guys got gas and all sorts of liquids, need a pull from a tank, gas tank or something, $422. That's a nice. Same thing with this one. It's a sweet deal at $250, down from $499 half price. If you can still find it in stock, I did not see it in stock. This one as well, guys. This one does include two 8 amp hour batteries. This is a dual battery string trimmer for $399, down from $699. Killer deal on that one. So you guys do see both of the batteries are back to back pretty much on the string trimmer, and of course, you know, it's the bigger tool, the more power. It does include a rapid charger, a dual bay rapid charger. All right, these are killer deals still on the stores. I can't stress this enough. This is probably the best bang for your buck as of the holidays. You got that 8 amp hour, and I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of this video, including to that battery, so you can get all these deals. But yeah, guys, this is a really good deal, and especially this with the new charger. This is a dual bay supercharger for $349. Does include an 8 amp hour battery. And then you're gonna get that extra 8 amp hour battery for free, or you can stock up on that 12 that you see right there on the right. Yep, that one, $249. Again, I'll leave you guys the links down below, and there might be affiliate links, so just keep that in mind. No extra cost to you. You got the home light gas blower, $75. Gas curve trimmer, $85, down from $169. I'm just flying by quick on these guys because we got a lot to cover. You gotta buy one get one free. This is a killer deal on this one. So you buy any of the tool, get a free 8 amp hour battery. That is a brand new 8 amp hour battery, power pack, angle grinder, the chainsaw, the router, SDS rotary, and same thing with these. You buy any of the flexible tools there at the bottom, you get that 9 amp hour flexible battery for free, including that rear handle circular saw. Those are all good tools to be hacked as well if you need to hack them. $299 for this pressure washer. And then you got this auger from the Legend Force from it is a gas, $299 from $399, 52cc. And then check this one out. This one's a starter kit with an 8 amp hour battery, $249 for that. It does include a rapid charger as well on that one. $99 for the drills or impact drivers, or actually impact drivers. Then you got an angle grinder for $104. So that's it right there. All right, miter saws, guys, $599 from $659. This is the Bosch 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. This one's a different style. You guys could put this against the wall, and it does save you a lot of space. Not like a traditional slider. This one's a glider, so you can put that against the wall. All right, so $399 for the circular saw, and then you got $249 for the chop saw. It is a compound single bevel miter saw. Pretty nice. $329 for the 15 amp miter saw from the Ryobi. And then we got another one on this side, which is $239 for the 18 bolt sliding miter saw. That's it right there. And then $149 for this table saw. So this is a 13 amp 8 1/4 table saw with the stand. That's actually a pretty nice deal right there. I'll show you guys. There you go. 3-year warranty on that one. Pretty nice stand. It does have some wheels. All right, new lower prices on these guys. $149 from $179. $119 up from $119 for this circular saw kit. Does come with 4 amp hour battery and charger. Pretty nice docking charger there. All right, next one down. We got $79.88 down from $89.88 for the 3-pack of 2 amp hour batteries. Not bad if you want to stock up on those. And then you got to start top off. Yes, this is an inverter with the battery. $79 up from $89. $69.88 down from $79.88 for the multi-tool with the 2 amp hour starter kit. Pretty nice. $49 down from $69 for this belt. Pretty nice material. Lots of pockets in here. You guys could fit this, even for DIYs, professionals, whatever you need to do. This will get the job done. This seems to be pretty good quality. All right, next one down. This is a 3-ton low-profile jack. This is actually cheaper than Harbor Freight. If you're thinking about Harbor Freight jacks, well, it's actually cheaper on that one. So $119 for that. All right, new buy one get one free, guys. These are top of the line tools, the ones on the left. You are getting pretty good selection there, including that ratchet, the angle grinder, and that is the $399 top line starter kit you get to buy with the 2 5 amp hour batteries, and you get a free tool. That's qualified for a free. Same thing with this. We just went over it with that forged battery. Obviously, the hatchet, the circular saw, that 12 amp hour battery is probably the best bangs for your buck. The bandsaw, angle grinders, reciprocating saw, SDS rotary, the high torque impact wrench kit for $399. Does qualify for a free battery as well, and the dual port charger, the compressor, all those. All right, clearance, guys. I just made a video about this $299, but now on the stores it's $210. If you need to compare the prices, you guys could always take a screenshot and show it to your depot, see if the price match. $60 for this dual voltage charger. You got 18 volts and 40 volts from the Ryobi. This one's a pretty good deal as well. You got the Diablo $29.88. These are great blades, by the way. Same thing with these. These are great blades for the oscillating. Probably one of the best out there in this class. You got $119 for impact driver and drill driver. It's 18 volt kit. Check this out, guys. This kit does include 2 impact rated sockets, adapters for your impact driver, and then you got the 2-inch bits, tic tac case, $24.97 from $34.97. Excellent deals for the $13.97 for all these pliers. This is a 3 set, so pretty much all these sets are $13.97. These are excellent deal. Make sure you guys stock up on these. They're already getting sold out. They had a whole bunch of these, and now they only run to a few. So make sure I own most of these already, and they're excellent. Guys, if you guys missed on the glitch, well, this is pretty much what you got left. This is the buy more, save more. So you spend that $299, save $90. So it comes down to what, $239 for that 3-piece tower kit or tower rolling packout. That right there. But yeah, we managed to get this to our subscribers a few days back for $153, $164. Let us know in the comment section if you got your order in, if you got your tools or your toolboxes with you. Let us know in the comment section. All right, another new one that just showed up at the stores not too long ago. This is $99. This is a new drawers. I remember we had another glitch for this one. Not just a pack up, but we had one for this. I believe these boxes were like $50 with the rolling cart. All right, so here's the deal for now. You got $29.88, so about $150 for the set. If you want, I'm not gonna tell you the price because I will leave the links down below in the description section of this video and on the bottom left hand corner on that. $149 for the starter kit, $249 for that other 2-tool combo kit. Get you a free tool. Those are excellent deals. Probably $149 is the cheapest stuff on all these brands. $199 for the Makita. That does include 2 batteries, charger, and then $399 will get you 1 free tool as well. And those are top of the line tools. You can choose from any of the tools at the bottom. Excellent deal. You can even stock up on those batteries if you want to do that 157 battery. The blower is probably one of the best of its class for the 18 volt class. All right, D1 will get you $199. Will get you one free tool. $299 will get you one free tool with that impact driver, Joe driver, or that 3-tool Comica with the flexible battery, $399. XL and D on that 4-pack with battery charger and a packout charger for $499. Guys, the $199 is already sold out. I believe online they're still available. So if I find it, I'll leave you guys the links for that Milwaukee, and same thing with the Ryobi. Guys, that's it. Just a quick video, just an overall update of what's going on at the stores. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't miss any of the videos, because stay tuned, because when those glitches drop, those packout glitches, those Milwaukee impact drivers, impact wrenches, they drop, I post, and they do sell out real quick, or if Home Depot fixes it. So make sure you guys subscribe. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.